Before Zoho Creator, we were using some other low-code platforms to build custom applications. The reason for switching to Zoho is that it's a platform that we can do the development very quickly. We can expand and scale those applications based on customer requirements. My name is Shah. I'm a general manager at Decoded Digital, where we build applications using AI or other platforms. We are partnered with Zoho for around 5 years, and we are one of the biggest creator users in New Zealand. 3PM is basically Decoded's venture. It's a construction product. We have more than 30 New Zealand companies working on that 3PM platform now. So 3PM is an enterprise level software that basically do end-to-end management. The platform is integrated with different financial softwares like Xero, MYOB, and now we have got thousands of active users. Being one of the biggest creator user, we have got the expertise to understand customer needs, to understand their business requirements. We have got the technical expertise that we can convert those requirements into an application that fit for their business purpose.
I'm Mithila Kamraj. I work at Decoded Digital as an application lead. I manage a whole lot of applications that we build for various clients. We do use Zoho Creator a lot for internal as well. So we use it for our own internal invoicing to clients. We also use it to get our own custom dashboards, as we also use other Zoho projects like projects and desk. I think the best part about Zoho Creator is it can work with any industries. It's not a SaaS platform in its own, so it's more flexible to every business with their own specific needs. I think it also works best for like startups or growing businesses that change a lot. They don't stick, like they may start somewhere but eventually they end up somewhere else, even with their internal processes or their external services. So I think Zoho Creator supports that very well because you can quickly change, build, transform. So I think it supports in that area. Time saving has been in terms of the number of staff reduction that has happened because of processes. A lot of processes were like very admin oriented, so that has been covered with the application, so that has reduced a lot. So the admins have now moved on to doing other tasks that are more integral part of their organization, making the quality better rather than focusing on something operational.
So apart from the creator platform, the best thing about Zoho is the support that we receive from Zoho. It's the support, not only the technical side, but also implementation and also during the sales process, that Zoho is always very supportive. Over the journey of 5 years, we have come across the technical challenge which was addressed by Zoho very efficiently. One of the applications that we have built for our customer in health sector, they were looking for something particularly for their business need, and it was very hard for them to pick up something, a SaaS product that can fit for their need. So we recommended them Zoho Creator. We built application on Zoho Creator, and now they have got around 8,000 active users, and the development work is still going on, which shows that how Creator can be used as a scalable product.
I think it was very quick to learn when I first started out. It was very easy to pick up. You don't have to learn various languages, etc. It's just very easy to pick up, start learning, start building. It just took me like 2 weeks to even build a full application out of it. Benefit for the business itself is you can deliver to your clients faster, much faster than any other of your competitors, which usually custom app developments end up taking months or few months of time, where with Zoho Creator you can just do it within weeks.
Best thing about Zoho is the support that we receive from Zoho, not only the technical side, but also implementation and also during the sales process, that Zoho is always very supportive. Over the journey of 5 years, we have come across the technical challenge which was addressed by Zoho very efficiently.